Good afternoon, and today time is 12:55. It's Monday, March 20th. So I was just testing something because sometime after a weekend the key doesn't work. So I was trying to see whether the key was working or not. So far I'm losing $5 on S&P. I just executed the trade as well. So yeah. No doubt, usual suspect. Just want to check on the market. Market was up. Dow Jones, QQQ, Microsoft. I need to add some of the things because these things I don't know. Sometimes they don't save up. So I just added these things. Amazon, Google. I need to add Nvidia properly, and Meta, and other things, all the good things. That's what I call it. So far the usual suspect is my SPY. Okay, guys, just want to give you a quick heads up. Trading is risky. Please consult your broker or financial advisor, whoever you take the advice from. Any type of trading, crypto, stocks, bonds, futures, options, forex, they're risky. Please, you can lose all your money if you don't know how to trade. Please, before you do something, you should always paper trade. This video is made for education purpose only, and so basically that's it. That's the disclaimer for you guys. And what I was trying to explain, my charts, they look a little bit different today because all the this and all, I have moved them out, but I do need those things. I didn't move them out basically, but I do need those things. Like what I really checking on the chart is like most of the time I needed like the moving average is not really, and that's what I need. Come on, what happened? Where did he go? Moving averages, I don't need them, but I do need a MACD and all those things. Those are the things I need. Chart. Then all right, that is what I need, and we'll press OK. And on this one, this is what I need. So okay, I made a mistake, I guess. On this chart I need MACD. I don't see all the things on one chart because then the chart becomes very, very low. MACD, I need it right over here. On this chart I need a slow stochastic, and where is that one? Slowly moving averages, basically. On this chart, basically, I need them both. That's how I want it. But you guys can set up the way you guys want it. I need them both. First thing goes this one, and secondly this goes right over there as well. And the colors, oh God, Jesus Christ, you cannot even figure this out. I don't like these colors at all. God, what are those colors? Seriously. Yeah, guys, just to give you a hands up, trading is risky. Any type of trading is risky. Please consult your financial advisor or a broker before you trade. That's what I can say. Before you trade. And just a quick update. Basically, they have put on a bandage on the banking industry, no doubt about it. They have put on a bandage on it right now. So they are still kind of looking. Let's see if the Fed increase their interest rate. I don't think so. They put up a bandage. They're going to bail them out. They won't allow the US bank to fail. That's what I know. I don't think so they're going to do that. because if they do that, that will be a big financial problem and going to have a damage everywhere. It's going to have a damage everywhere. So I don't think so. It's a good idea for them to move the basically this to moving the not building the banking. It will be a difficult. Oh, shit. Not moving the banking industry, not saving the banking industry. It will be very very difficult for them to hold this economy, because then the economy will going to have a very bad shape and a bad crack. That's what I can say. So yes, it's very very important for them to bail those banks out, no doubt. And secondly, it's very important for them to hold the economy and everything tight, no doubt. No doubt about it. You understand? So okay, this looks more better now. Can figure it out. Something, you know. Can figure out something. Before you can't even figure out nothing. Now you can figure out something. You can see something. Before those colors, God, Jesus Christ. No. Cannot figure out anything. Alright guys, yes, I'm ready to trade at this moment in time. Let's see what we can do for today. And the goal is again to make $500. The goal is to make $500. And let's see what we can do. If we can make $500 today, that would be great. And then close the session basically. Okay. And so far it's 8 minutes already passed. Okay, I did not trade yet. Okay, so right now I am thinking about S&P to buy, and we are looking at 1 minute chart. 1 minute chart. Let's see which option to pick. This options, okay, one options, this is just a small lesson for you guys. One options hold 100 stocks, so I'm picking up this option which cost me 65 to 66 cents. Right now I'm buying it guys. I bought already 30 options. Okay, there you go, sold 140 up. Okay, buying it. Holding 40 options right now, 45 options. Bought the dip, holding 50. Kind of losing $145. This can turn into ugly side if it doesn't move up. Okay, there you go, it is moving up. So this can put me in a very good position. If it moves up, I should be able to make my $500 on this trade, a small one basically. I'm holding 60 options at this moment in time, guys. So 60 options putting me $70 a share, and the time is about to, this candlestick is about to close on the upside, so I'm kind of holding it right now, and the volume is looking good as well. There you go, out guys. All right, less than 5 minutes, I'm up $1,255. There you go, guys. I already did my mark, basically less than what, 10 minutes. If you know how to trade, if you know how to do this very well, less than 10 minutes, not even 10 minutes, less than maybe 3 4 5 minutes, you are able to make this much of money. So the money was being used, it cost me basically the dollar moving, I do the dollar moving averages every time. It cost me 87 cents per option. So let's just check how many in and out I did. Okay, this was a trial, but still you have to calculate this because the broker will still going to charge me for that. 10 options and 190 options I have traded. 190 options, so that means how much it cost me. This option, 180 option, cost me 87 cents. 180 option cost me 80 cents. How much money did I use? I used $1,560. That's how much money I used on one trade, and so that's where it is, 1,500, and like almost like keep it like as a like a $2,000, because then the broker will go and charge you some money as well. So my goal was to make how much, $500, but I have more than double up my money in like less than 5 minutes, guys. Okay, and just to give you a quick reminder, okay, like again, a lot of people, they say like, oh, you need to check delta, you need to check gamma, you need to check all those things, and I'm here to tell you again, you see guys how I do this, right? I don't go to check all those things. No, those books are all fake, those gurus are all fake, no joke. I know, but you guys gonna say like, this guy made X amount of money, but those things are very very old. Whatever you guys are talking about, those things, they don't work these days anymore. Those things, they don't work anymore. So you can follow them. I'm not saying that you guys don't want to follow them, you should not follow them. You guys can follow them, but you won't have a success doing that. That's what I can tell you, because don't get me wrong, I have tried all those things before and it made me money before, no doubt, but not anymore. So yes, very very important for you to know all those books, they are not that accurate, because market every time is changing. What I mean by is changing, it doesn't trade at the same level. Whatever happened yesterday, it doesn't happen today also. Let me tell you that part. Okay, a lot of people, they don't understand. I know the other day I said that also, saying like, oh, the repeated things do happen in the market. Yes, for the big angle, not for a small one. Okay, what I mean for the big angle, like 90 days to 100 days. You see this one went up over here, came down over here, went up a little bit, something like that. These things, they do go up and down, and those are the repeated things. That's what I mean to say. Okay, but not this one. Market is changing every time, and is staying one step ahead than everybody else. Whoever had the most money is the one who's writing the rules on this one. he's the one who is writing the rules on the stock market. So be very, very careful whatever you're doing. So those options, gamma, vega, delta, and all those Greek words, whatever they call them, I don't go to see. What I go to see is like, is they moving? Are they moving it according to the stock? Then it's okay. If they're not moving according to the stock, then it's not okay. And like I said, this is the only broker I'm using called Lightspeed. Pro version of this software is more important, but the broker charge you $150, which is nothing because you make that money less than 5 minutes. So which is nothing, okay? And pro version, that's what you needed. So now I'm looking at Amazon. Check the Amazon. Amazon is moving. Other options are moving. Not really. So that's the reason I did not trade Amazon. This is very important thing for you to understand. Now again, Google. Checking the Google, this option is moving according to the price. So this option is fine to trade. But other one, then are they moving? No, not really. So this is very, very important for you to know. But those are things you don't need to know. With gamma, delta, vega, gamma, all those Greek words you don't need to know, because you are holding it less than for what, 2-3 minutes, and you are executing the options. You understand? So only thing, but you have to be careful with this. One reason, because if the stock goes against you because you buying a lot, I mean 30-40 of them, and you're selling it on like 20 cents move, and that's how you make money. You understand? But this is not a rocket scientist, whatever I'm trying to teach you over here. This is not a rocket science. You just need some practice. That's what I can tell you. This thing is not a rocket scientist. Any trader, any type of a trader can do this. Basically, any type of a trader can do this. But this is one website, guys. There they say like there are 5 websites can make you a side hustle. You should know. This is only one website called Lightspeed Broker. That's it, and you just need some money to trade. But how much money? This is all up to you guys, how much money you want to use, okay? But before you do this, you should always paper trade, okay? This is all the whatever I'm trying to tell you, this is all my suggestions. If you follow them, you're going to make money. You don't need to take them, like you can change the recipe, but you won't have the same success. If you change the recipe, you won't have a success. If somebody tell you the flour, if you want to bake the cake, the flour, if you instead of like using a lot of things, ingredients over there, like for example milk, butter, sugar, and if you all of a sudden if you add some chili powder, will the cake will going to taste same? It's going to taste spicy. So that's what it is. So it will be tasting spicy. So if you change these things, if whatever I'm trying to explain you, and you won't find the same success. You're gonna say, hey Swiss, what's wrong with you? You said this, but did you check all these things before you did it? These are the things you need to check. You don't need to wake up 4 o'clock in the morning also. Trust me guys, you don't need to do all those things. I just wake up 1 hour before, and I have my coffee and I trade. Simple, guys, simple. Don't make it complicated. You don't have to wake up 6 o'clock in the morning and check the market. I don't care what the market does. I don't care what the big boys and big banks does. If you can make $1,000 in like 5 minutes, guys, do you really care? Calculate that in 30 days. How much money you made? You understand? Check this out. How much money you made in 30 days trading? Very good money. No one makes this kind of money. So yes, very, very important for you to understand these things. If those things are not working according to the stock, then you're not going to make money. You understand? You will not going to make money. You're probably going to lose money if they're not working. So those gamma, delta, anyway, it doesn't count, because I'm not holding it for a long period of time. I'm holding it less than 5 minutes. You guys saw like how long did I hold it? Less than 5 minutes. So less than 5 minutes, they do move, gamma, delta, and all those things. But if they move opposite direction, yes, you will gonna lose faster money. So that's the reason I don't have stop. I don't put stops. That's the reason I don't have time to put the stops. I don't put spread. I can make less. Can make less amount. I can use it, but I don't go to do those things because in order to set up that spread, it takes time, and that time will gonna move up, and you're gonna move. You're gonna miss that move as well. Okay, miss that move as well. So that's the thing. So I don't go to do spread. This is like a naked. That's what they call in the professional language. Naked calls and puts. They're naked. That means there's no safety net on them. There's no safety net. And I don't put stop as well. Remember, my fingers are my stop. Fingers are my stop. I use the keyboard to trade, not a mouse. I don't change to click over here and then I change. I use shift letter Z to buy 5. Shift letter X to buy 2. Shift letter M to sell all the position, the full position. Shift letter L to sell half of it. So this is how I trade. Okay, a click of a button. I don't go to I trade. That's how I trade. Okay, not limit everything at the market. This is what I can tell you. This kind of broker and the Robinhood broker. Robinhood broker is like a it's like a what I can say, like a old Toyota, like a old Toyota, the Robin Hood broker, and Lightspeed broker is a Lamborghini or Ferrari. You understand? I need Lamborghini and Ferrari for beat every other trader. Remember, if I don't, this is like a race. This is like a race, and that's the reason I said you have to become a Bruce Lee. Why? Because if you don't become a Bruce Lee, then the market will gonna become a Bruce Lee. Somebody else will gonna run you off. You cannot take a Toyota or other things, and trade, because you need something faster. Like you need a Lamborghini to race, or a Tesla to race. The Tesla is a faster car. That's what they say. And you need those things of brokers to race, because the price and the timing is everything. You are like out. Also, basically, this is like going directly to the market. Like not only one or two. These are all the exchanges where they're going. Okay, which exchange is going, what exchange has a what price. So basically this is how it has been done. But most of the broker, they do send, but not a limit order or something like that. There are a lot of brokers. Okay, back in time, I tell you, this is the story. I used to trade options also, but I used to put a limit order back in time when Obama was president. This is in 2010, 2011 and all. And I had a broker called this one. What is that? Li Bank was my broker. They bought. At that time, it was before my broker was Zyco. Then it was Trade King. Trade King was bought by Li Bank. So Li Bank was the one. So Trade King was very good back in time. But when the Li Bank took over, when I used to sell like options, like 100 options, 500 options, that's how much options I have to sell. You see, right now I'm doing only 30, 40, 50, right? Back in time, I used to do 500 options. Can you believe it? That means I was the one who was moving it. You know what Li Bank used to do, guys? You won't believe it. They used to send 25, 25, 20, and I'm not getting filled. And I called the broker and I said this. I asked him, why you guys are not filling my order at one shot? You know what is the excuse they gave me? They said I'm the one who's moving this market. So what? So what? I don't care. I'm the guy who writes the rules on the market on those days. Seriously, 500 option. They are trying to tell me 500 option will going to move the market up and down. I don't care. I don't care. I'm here to make my money. I don't care. I care less about other people. I'm here to make money. I care about my money. And so these people were sending my orders. You see this order right now? 200 something I want to point out. Okay, if you see this, you see these orders, 1700 options were moved. You see this? That's what I'm trying to say. 500,000. Those are the guys who are moving the market. This is how much I used to do it back in time. But this bank was the one who's selling my order 25, 25, 25, and I'm like not filling up, and I'm losing money. I immediately closed that account and moved out my money. Whole money was moved out. Okay, at one shot I have moved out like probably 500,000 from that broker at that time. And I moved it to Charles shop. That is the time. And later on, this light speed and all, they came later. I came to know about later on. Then I moved to Charles shop. So I asked the Charles shop at the same time, same question: will you hold my orders? They said like no. Wherever you send it, it will be gone. It's like no. Okay, then I started trading with the Charles shop. So this is the history, guys. But what I'm trying to say, there are a lot of brokers like Robinhood and all. I'm not saying they are bad, but they don't. And they have one more thing. You see this thing, guys? SPY option spread. What is this? It's like 1 cent, 1 cent or 2 cents, very likely. Most of the time, it's like 1 cent. So this is what called leverage. Leverage is very very important. If the leverage is big, you're not able to make money. Like for example, let's see this Google right now. Google is also very liquid. Amazon, let's check Amazon option. You see this? This is like 2 cents. This is like 2 cents. This is leverage. You're losing a little bit of money over here. So I don't like to trade something like this. I do it only if the stock is moving very fast. Otherwise, no. So this is very very important. Those brokers are good, but they make money based on leverage. They make money based on those things. You understand the spread? That's what I call the spread. The right word is the spread. Basically, the spread. How big is the spread? They make money. So SPY, there's no spread at all. It's like 1 cent up and down, which is great. So which is very very great. So that's how I'm able to make money. So those are the things you need to know. If the broker is sending your order directly or is holding on their position, you understand? So you will need something who like, and most of the time when you get a professional trading platform, they don't do it. They don't hold anything. They know that you're professional anyway. They know that's the reason you asking for this kind of data. This is like a raw data. Whatever you're getting, this is the data basically. This is the raw data which is happening right now. These are the orders are getting filled right now. Got filled. These are all orders getting filled. You understand? Got filled at the click of a button. At the click of a button, basically. You understand? This is a very good setup. This is going to go up, basically. You see? But what I'm trying to say, these are the things. You see 7,000. If you guys saw that 7,000 order. You understand? So this is how many orders I used to sell. 7,000, 5,000. 500,000 orders and all. That's back in time. Those was like normal. And if the broker is the one who's not sending your order properly, you need to change the broker, because nobody care about your money more than you do, guys. So that's just a example for you, and just a lesson for you to understand. All right, guys, I don't want to take any more longer time. It's already 20 to 30 minutes of trading. I mean, I traded less than 5 minutes, but I just gave you these things for you to understand. Because if you don't understand, you're probably going to lose these things. Then you must be thinking, why I'm not making money? Because you have choose a wrong broker. You have a wrong broker. Check, guys, 5,000 shares. You understand? You choose a wrong broker, and the broker who's trying to make money out of you between those spread too. He's not charging you for the trade. That's right. But at the same time, you're losing for the spread as well. He's making money over there. You understand? So it's very, very important for you to get a right broker who is not charging you. He was charging you $150, which is peanuts, according to me, and which is very, very good for you to hold it, because you know that very well if you moving out of the thing. And okay, this is very, very important. When these are all calls, and if this would have like dropped, that spread and everything would have like lost you more money. Trust me, I know this very well. That spread and everything will going to cost you more money. So it's very important for you to have a good broker, I'm not pushing this. I'm not getting a paid from Lightspeed. Just to let you guys know, okay? You must be thinking I'm getting paid. I'm not giving you a code. Use my code or something like that to get a I'm not promoting Lightspeed. I care less. You can take any broker, but that broker gives you this kind of data with the less this and all. Then you do it. I'm not telling you go to Lightspeed and do this, okay, guys? I'm not giving you a special code or something. I'm not promoting. I don't get paid for this. Okay, you guys can call Lightspeed and ask for it. I'm not getting paid for this. Okay, my name is Swiss. I'm not getting paid for this. So just to let you guys know, you can take any broker, but what I'm trying to say, this is the broker which is very good for you to trade. If you do it well, otherwise no problem as well. This is my suggestions, because if you're trading, okay. All right, guys, thank you very much, and please subscribe. Thank you for subscribing, basically. Subscribing, liking my videos, sharing with your friends and family, letting them know about this kind of things. They can make money from home. Okay, only thing they need a practice. They just need to practice. Please, guys, share and like my video. It really helps me. The YouTube algorithm will gonna kick into it, and later on it will gonna share. It will be promoting the YouTube will gonna promote my videos basically to other traders, whoever is trading. Whoever have an interest in trading as well. So please share and like my video and comment below if you lose money. If you want to learn how to trade, comment below, guys. If you want to learn more about this, okay, this is just whatever I gave you. That's just the basic things, basically, just to let you guys know, just a basic thing. But if you guys want to learn, comment below, and please send me an email. It's swisscapitalgain@gmail.com. Please send me an email. Let me know if you want to learn more, and if you want to trade. If you're doing something wrong, I can always guide you. Like, seriously, if you go and calculate my money when I started until today, I made more than $20,000. Today will be like 20 days of trading. If you go and check, I think so, 20 or 21 days of trading. If you go and calculate all the money, I have made more than $20,000. So please share and like my video. If you lost money, that's fine. That's always the next day to trade. Okay, that's always the next day, but you should have your limits. Money management is very, very important in life. Life management, money management is very, very important. So again, risk, money management, risk is very, very important. So you should be taking care of your risk. So please share, comment below if you lost money. If you want to learn also, let me know. I can guide you. I can teach you as well. So yeah, please be careful, be safe, always. Peace and blessing, guys. Bye. Thank you. See you guys tomorrow.